y'all, we've partnered with Amazon to help them introduce their new shopping destination, Textures and Hues. I really like how this site has a lot of hair products that are geared towards my hair texture. Another awesome thing about this new addition to Amazon is that you can shop specifically by your hair type, by brand name, and product category. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I warp my gym hairstyle into a hairstyle that could be worn to any social event. Just to give you guys a little rundown on how I wore my hair to the gym, I kept it really simple by flat twisting my hair into 2 plaits, knotted them off with some ponytail holders, gelled down my edges with my favorite Blueberry Bliss control paste, and after the gym I just touched up my hair with a little aloe vera and apricot oil and water, mixed it in a bottle and sprayed it on top of my scalp just to give some extra moisture. Okay, so I'll be attending my little nephew's birthday party. He is turning 5, so I want to change my hair into something a little bit more for the occasion. So I'm going to be adding some hair rings to my hair, and as you can see, I've already added the first one. It's really simple and easy to add these to my hair. So all I do is pull the hair ring apart, and I am going to attach it to my faux locks and adjust it how I want them to lay on top of my faux locks. So you can adjust by how tight you put the rings on or how loose, and you can kind of shape them to how you want them to lay in a certain direction in your hair. Okay, so I'm going to unravel the first flat twist in my hair, but I'm not going to unravel it all the way. I'm going to tie it off with my ponytail holder just to keep my hair in place. And I'm going to unravel the second flat twist, but I'm not going to tie it off. Instead, I'm going to bobby pin all of my hair to the side, just because I want all of my hair to lay in one direction. After pinning the back of my hair, I'm going to unravel the front of my hair from the ponytail holder, and I'm going to adjust my hair to how I want it to lay in the front, and I'm going to bobby pin and use hairpins to lay it down as well. And now that I'm done bobby pinning, I just have one more simple, easy step. I'm going to use my Blueberry Bliss control paste to touch up my edges. I'm not going to use very much here, just a little to gel down any of the little extra frizzies that are kind of popping up from a little wear and tear from earlier at the gym. And after touching up the little baby hairs, I am ready to go join my family to celebrate my little nephew's birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. All of the products I used and mentioned in this video are going to be in links down in the description box. You'll also be able to find all of these products and tons more on amazon.com/textures-hues. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support and love. See you all next video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Johnny. Did you make a wish?
The shark suit, shark boy suit.
Okay.